Millions of dollars in aid going to SUNY schools across the state. The money dedicated entirely to mental health services. SUNY officials say demand for these services has increased tremendously since the start of the pandemic and is not going away. Eriquetta Cost joins us live in the newsroom with more on this. Eriquetta?
Well, good evening, John. That's right, $24 million in additional funding for those services. SUNY officials say this is something students themselves have been asking for, especially as they prepare for big adjustments this fall. To give you perspective on the demand, according to the CDC, 41% of college-age students reported at least one mental health condition this past year. SUNY Chancellor Jim Malatras says similar studies have been done on a statewide level, closely mirroring those of the CDC. This money will go towards staff training, more programs, peer-to-peer support, safe spaces, and more telehealth. He says the demand for the services isn't going away, as you mentioned. If anything, it's going to be stronger in the fall as students face those transitions.
Well, we're excited at SUNY. We are reopening all of our campuses, fully reopening, nearly 100% back to in-person. Yet, we still have challenges that persist. During COVID, it was isolation, social isolation, physical isolation. Now we're facing a different type of issue. The anxiety of all coming back and sitting amongst one another. And students have said to us, wow, that's a different thing that we're used to.
We'll have more on those services in the next hour, as well as from students themselves, what they're saying about this growing demand. In the newsroom, Eriquetta Cost, News 8.
All right, Eriquetta, thank you. Malatras says this expansion is made possible through almost $500 million in aid from the American Rescue Plan.